this room, you've got some stairs going up there. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the first room coming in. You've got this big glass thing. Quite nice. I'm just gonna get past Dan real quick. And then you got this big room. Pretty cool. You got drop dead clothing zombie killers. Drop dead clothing car. And then another drop dead sticker. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for Dan. Actually, I'll go up that thing. Sorry, I'm in your way here. Got like a, I think this is, I don't know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, I know it's got something to do with something, but if anyone knows what it is, just comment down below. Really appreciable. I'd really appreciate it. I mean, these stairs are weird as fuck. So you got this bit. Smile! My old tag's here as well, guys. The old tag. Someone sprayed over it, but you can still see where it is. At the lash. But yeah, that's about it for now. I'll just wait for Dan to finish. So join you back in a minute.
Before, well, the original plan was to do a cinematic special for the
Yeah.
I kind of want to get back to the original videos.
Yeah. Oh yeah, is there like any needles I should know about in here?
There was a needle. Going on, guys, still City Urbex Sheffield here. We've got Steel Dan and we've got Urbex here.
Hello.
Obviously, his channel link and Instagram will be in the description as always. And yeah, discuss her back. And well, I guess this is a multiple of revisits to this one location, the abandoned Riverside building.
Drop dead clothing.
Yeah, which, brief history, it was last occupied by the company called Drop Dead Clothing, which are a big clothing brand, especially in Sheffield. So, as always guys, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out any of our other videos, and remember all the steel. And yeah, we're going to get straight into the obviously into the explore because we've done this building that many times now. It's all we really can do, to be fair. So,
Got the quarry coming up later.
yes, we certainly do.
I'm going to be climbing on there.
In a future video, so stay tuned for that.
I'm going to make a new video called Climbing Up the Quarry. Go and watch that. But yeah, I'm going to turn my light off because as you can see there's people over there.
I can see you guys.
I'll go up there after.
It's I'm gonna say it's relatively speaking, it's not that much big of a building, but you know.
Yeah.
I guess
What's through that door, Dan? Dan, through that door. What's through that door? That one, top of the stairs. Go through that. This one here.
Oh, yeah, that's where it comes onto the balcony.
You wanna go in?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. It's in here. This is smashed up since last time I saw it. Right, we might as well just go back.
Yeah.
Plus, I remember all that needles being in that bit, so.
That's what I was saying, that was the only.
Right, go on then.
Yeah, guys. Another. Right, this is the women's bog.
Women's bog, please do not throw the paper towels down the toilet. Go on then.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, man.
I'm rushing him.
That's all good.
That's pretty good. That wasn't by me, by the way.
Yeah,
Mine.
was,
And I don't agree with it, I was just reading it, so
yeah.
no one take that to offence.
Yeah, guys. Ah, here we are.
Yep. Here we are, where?
No, just up to the top because when we came here, which obviously Steel Dan was joined by Carol Urbex and Matty Explores. Go and check
Them out on Instagram.
Yeah, their Instagram's out, link in the description as always. We came up here and obviously it had been raining. On the outside a rooftop shower. Yeah, a rooftop shower in there.
What do you mean a rooftop shower?
So pretty much the water we were that bad. Like,
You went on this roof?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
The
doing
water
it.
was just sitting, the rain was just coming straight down here, guys. And yeah, it was like a shower. It was amazing.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to go on that.
Yeah, like I said, guys, there's a lot of radiators about getting on this discontinued.
They're expensive, them.
Yeah, I know.
A lot of scrap men out there, they'll know that radiators really, really fucking heavy.
Yeah.
I honestly know that because Right guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like. Go subscribe to Dan's channel and follow his Instagram. Go follow my Instagram, link in description. Music by Digital Media, the Lunatic Digital Media. I think it used to be, but then it changed. Bottom link in description if you want to go check out his music. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.